Hello everyone, Helen here and welcome to my channel. Today I have a really fun card for you guys and we will be making a flip flap fun card. So I will be using the Picnic Cows stamp set as well as the Pinkberry Blast 6x6 paper pad, and it is the green version. I also brought in a picket fence die as well as some clouds. I've gone ahead and colored my images and die cut my clouds as well as my fence, and this idea came from a fellow crafty YouTuber. Her name is Marisa from Kitchen Table Stamper. Now I have been watching Marisa for a very long time, and she is a Stampin Up Demonstrator, and I love her channel because she incorporates paper, stamps, and ribbon. So if you know me by now, I love all of those three things, and I just love watching all of her projects. She makes different kinds of cards as well as box goodie bag type stuff, and so I will link to her channel down below as well as to her blog post, the tutorial that she did on her YouTube channel, as well as the PDF file that she put on her blog, so that you can have all the measurements handy. I printed it out and you saw me show you guys that earlier. And so yeah, let's get started. So for this one, I said I did choose the green version of the Pinkberry Blast, and since the summer is coming to an end, I wanted to make sure that I get some last few cards in my channel before September comes. And here, as you can see, I showed you that the flap part of the card is going to stick out a little on the right side, and that's okay because this will ensure that it will close and it won't look so tight around the edges, if that makes sense. So here I'm showing you how it opens and closes, and I picked out 3 patterns from the paper pad, and I chose that beautiful rose and gingham background as well as this gingham soft green color, and I really love the heart pattern paper. They're like small little tiny hearts. I love those. You know how they, like, some paper companies come out with like Swiss dots. I wish paper companies would come out with like heart dots, because they are just so cute. And wouldn't it be cool if paper companies came out with like type text background paper? I don't know. I just think it would be so cool. So okay, so here it is. All the papers are put together. And now I'm taking my ribbon, and I apologize I didn't show you guys this earlier, but this ribbon is also from Stampin' Up, and this one is called All My Love. Now this one is unfortunately retired, but depending on your project, you can use whatever ribbon that you have that matches the pattern paper that you're using. And here I'm showing you how I tied it. The first time I was like, oh, it's upside down, and then the second time I tried to do it again and it was upside down. So I was able to manipulate my ribbon to turn a little bit so that it'll look just like Marisa's ribbon on her card. And she is like the master of tying ribbons, just saying. Like, she shows it like slow in real time, like on her video, because she gets so many compliments on how she ties her ribbon. And no matter how many times I watch it, I always end up doing bunny ears. I don't know, you know the saying, you can't teach old dog new tricks. I'm kind of like that sometimes. And but thankfully I was able to turn my ribbon around and make it sort of kind of look like hers. So I knew I was gonna make a scene card here, and I needed to add a little more elements, because on the stamp set you get the cows as well as the sentiments. You get about 4 sentiments on there, but I wanted to add something in the background, but you know, not too much. So I felt like these picket fence dies from LDRS were perfect. It's kind of like farm themed, and I did use the same paper from the paper collection, and this is just a solid pink color, so everything matches. So you can see Teresa did such an amazing job putting this paper pad collection together, and this is available at Jamie Shop as well as the Picnic Cows. Now the Picnic Cows is only available with the dies, so you'll get the dies that will cut out all the cows as well as those sentiments. So that's a really nice feature that Jamie does with her dies, as well as two different versions of these paper pads. One is a green version and another one is blue version, and she also has the matching ephemeras available in her shop. The picket fence die from LDRS is also available at Jamie Shop, and the clouds die, that one is on the MFT website, and that one is called Cutest Clouds Ever, and they are really cute. They're like puffy. It's really cute. So if you're interested in seeing how I colored these cows, I will link to my video to where I colored these cows. I colored them with my Copic markers, and I lined them with my white gel pen. It's pretty simple because, you know, black and white. And then, oh, I also just want to let you guys know that these cows are vegetarian. As you can see, they're eating hot dogs, hamburgers, and a kebab. But I asked Jamie just to confirm that these cows are vegetarian. So they're eating veggie burgers, veggie hot dogs, and veggie tofu kebabs. Well, that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and give this flip flap fun card a try. It's so much fun. You can build little scenes and it looks like a little tiny book, or you can even put pictures in there. Super cute and super fun. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.